guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kayla, or KinkyhairKayla, and today I'm here to show you how I lay my edges. Now let me start by telling you I'm not a pro. I think I'm gonna do this like a talk through video. So I am an Impressions of Beauty curl friend, and that's where they kind of connect us to different brands so we can build our brand and just try new things. And if you want to learn more about that, I'm going to have their IG in the description box, so just kind of check them out. But I went ahead and I already stretched my hair. And today, Creme of Nature and Impressions of Beauty were nice enough to send me this edge control. And I've been seeing this around. It's the new Perfect Edges Creme of Nature Argan Oil edge control. And we're going to use that. And I never lay my edges on camera because I suck at it. But I'm going to show you guys how I do it. It's not perfect. So you see I never opened it, never even used it. It smells like their apple cider vinegar rinse. That's not my favorite smell, so I'm not gonna, if you can just get past the smell. So I have a spray bottle here, I have some regular gel, and I got some brushes. So first thing I'm gonna do, let me see if I can get a little closer so you guys can see. I'm gonna spray a little bit, not too much, you know what I'm saying, and kind of rub the water in my hair. So working me. She working me. All right. That's all I gotta do right there, okay? I'm just laying around the part. So the first thing I'm doing is taking my main choice, Orchid Gel. And this stuff, it doesn't do good for wash and goes for me, but it does really good for laying edges and sleeking ponytail. So I kind of just put it all around here and near the part so I can separate that, as you can see here. Okay, wait, let's make sure you guys can see that. Alright, so when it comes to that, I'm just going to use my brush and swoop it, like swooping motions. Alright, you see that? Slick. And I kind of do the same here and here as well, okay? So, you see how sleek that is? I don't know. But that's just a little bit. It's not gonna hold, I guess you could say. So we want the sleekness, but we want the hold as well. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna go in with this. And first, this is like a waxy gel. Whoa, look. I don't know if you guys can see that, but dang. So I'm just gonna put that on top of everything. And you could choose to do like, this one I feel like it's gonna get a good hold because it's waxy. Get my edge control brush. Typically I like to take the brush and dip it, and then I'll go in and straighten it up. So there, and I'm not perfect. My edges are kind of thin too, so I don't really, you know, I'm not big on slaying my edges, but they look like this. I like it like this. How do you guys like your edges? Do you like the little baby swoops or like this? So I'm actually fine with it like this, but you should definitely go to your liking. And just so it could stay a little bit back, because I end up putting a bobby pin anyway, I take it and I put this bobby pin in it, or this little clip for a little bit while I'm laying it. But here it is, like, wow, compared to like no wax. You see how like clean and slick that? I think I'm gonna like this. The smell is something I have to get past, I'm gonna tell you that. But here, let's see, so you guys can see a little bit better. And again, I just do that little part. My parts are never perfect, don't judge me. And then I take a little clip for this side as well, and I just pop it in. Oops, not like that, like that. So boom. Wow. And now I never finished doing my makeup, so I take this little scarf thing, satin thing, I don't know, I used to use it to wrap my hair, and I just take it under, make sure my hair is out the way. Then I pull it up, and oh gosh, girl. Okay, there we go. And I kind of make sure it's tight so that my edges could lay. So it is now, let me check the time. About 10:25. I plan to take this off at about 10:45. So we'll be back. I'm gonna let these lay. But you guys saw, just needed some water, some clips. Not that hard. And I'll be back with my outro and the finished results, okay? Okay? I'll be right back. I'll be back. I'm back. It's been about 15-20 minutes. I'm going to class. I don't have time to wait any longer. But if you can wait long, the longer you lay them, you know, the longer they'll last. Because it's wet still, so it needs to dry, per se. But I just want to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys when I'm taking it off. Look, it's still there. You can see my edges are kind of thin, so, you know, we're working on it. But, I'm going to go ahead and fluff it. Add my little extra in. This gel is really tacky. It left like a tacky feel on this. But overall, I think it's going to be a staple because I mean, hey, I don't see a problem with it. So let me go fluff and finish, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I went ahead and fluffed my hair. I added a couple gold bobby pins, but here is the finished look. So, like I said, I'm really not good at my edges. So I kind of just do what's easiest and quickest for me, as long as they're kind of slicked back. And I didn't even put anything here, you see. But if I would have, it would have been lied down a little bit more. And I suggest letting it lay longer. Don't procrastinate like me. But this is for your college students that procrastinate, you know. So, but I actually really like it. So I want to thank Impressions of Beauty. And I want to thank Creme of Nature for sending me this product. I'm definitely going to make this a staple and use it because I do like how waxy it is. I just have to get past the smell. But if I mask, like when I put the main choice with it, it kind of dilutes the smell, so it's not as strong. And I feel like it's as acidic smell, I guess. I don't know, if you ever smelled the apple cider vinegar, like that's how it smells to me. So that's just me, but I know a lot of people don't mind that smell. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you like videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to do more like this. And I'm going to be partnering with Impressions of Beauty now, so just so you guys are aware. And yeah, but here's one more look at it. And I'm gonna practice on my edges. We're gonna keep doing this, and I'm gonna be able to swoop. This was just a lazy day, okay? I don't have time to play. But yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.